16-13 as our score. LaSalle ahead by 3 and ahead by 2 sets. For the final game for the year 2012, we take our Christmas break. Some of the players still go back to their respective provinces if they have time, but a lot of them forego that because they have training.
And forgo all the parties. Hindi naman the parties, it's actually the food.
Eating.
Oo. Which is the best part of all of those parties.
Bigay nyo na lang sa amin. Willing na willing kami tumanggap.
Sa'yo na lang.
So, inaatake ni Maraño yung si Jen Reyes. Ayun na naman, another attacking error.
Yep. Mistiming it. Even from the approach alone, makikita mo eh.
Kasi nasa harap natin tong NU, Mosey. So, kita-kita natin dito. No?
Very tentative.
Just not the same team we saw 2 days ago. A few days ago. Again, another good reception. Alam mo, that's the third serve ni Maraño na papunta talaga kay Jen, na parang china-challenge niya. Magaling ka pala. Parang ganyan, di ba? Ganyan yung laro minsan, di ba, Mosey?
Yep.
Jen has done her job here. It's the rest of the crew. This girl has been quiet too, Mosey.
Yes, that's right. Yun nga eh. That's why I was asking you kanina, mukhang nanggagaling yata talaga kay Pablo. Yung energy, di ba, when they play.
Oof.
Oh, and
It's out, barely.
galang. That was very powerful, but it went wide. Alam mo, that's what you like about her. Very young, but look, risk taker
Tapang.
eh. Tapang lang talaga eh.
Kaya na Pumuseno. Back set.
Just having a heyday si Michelle Gumabaw.
Hitting practice.
Yes.
They call it hitting practice.
Not so flashy,
Yep.
pero it's super effective.
Textbook nga, di ba?
Yes.
Sabi mo nga eh.
Okay. Tapatan mo na yung bola ng sineset ni Esperanza. Ang nangyayari, hindi nyo tinatapatan eh. Tao ang tinatapatan ninyo. Mali yun. Bola dapat. Bola, tapatan nyo. Kasi yun yung papaluin ng object eh. Naintindihan? Kahit pag body language pa ng ganyan niya, kung nakatapat kayo sa bola, walang mangyayari doon sa bola na yan. Naintindihan? Okay. Receive ha, receive. National.
The blocking is one of the strengths of National U, and it's not so evident here in this game.
Oh, yes. Parang nagpatalo ka agad eh. Parang they already acknowledged na, oh, yung kalaban is the #1 blocking team. Yun na yun.
LaSalle looking for its 4th straight win to stay behind 5-0 Ateneo. And those two teams will meet, I believe, January 12. Santiago has started to score here in the 3rd.
Well, she has been going for drop balls.
Yep.
So, yung variation na yun, mukhang effective for her so far. Kasi nga sabi ko kanina, she is so respected that when she's in the middle, ready na yung tatlong blockers for her.
Good serve. Galang unable to handle the serve. Esperanza with a good chase. Not good enough. Let's listen to Coach Ramil.
Diba, sabi ko, ulitin ko. Hindi ka makinig naman tayo eh. Ito na ngayon ang game na sinabi ko, ikaw nandito eh. Hindi ka bumlock, ano nandito. Binagtak yung bola, hindi mo kinuha yung bola. Diba? Sabi ko naman, di ibabagsak, double block natin, ibabagsak lang yung bola eh. Lumisim ngayon tayo, oh, kailangan makapuntos tayo. Lumisim na maayos, bibigyan mo ng bola. Okay, go. Okay,
Huwag pabayag! Hey!
Mosey, you know Coach Ramil very well. Tell us about him as a player.
Well, alam mo, itong si Coach Ramil again, coming from FEU, magkakabatch yan. Or nakita kita yan si Coach Francis. At itong ang ating head of our technical committee, si Oti Kamangyan.
Yes.
So, pare-parehong magagaling yan. Mga known names yan sa volleyball world. That's why siguro kahit ngayon, they're still here helping out volleyball. And si Coach Ramil has not only is he a good coach, but he understands the game very well. Even while he was playing.
Winning championships not only in college but in high school.
Yep. Libre Libre mo ako, coach. Hindi, pero totoo.
Scripted yun. Kasama sa aming pre-game conversation yun. Chu!
Oh!
She kind of like went up with a little bit of... She blew wind prior to the approach. You see there, binueluhan talaga.
Binueluhan talaga. Totoo. Ang ganda nung approach. Then she went for a little bit, a little angle.
She looks so fragile though when she walks around as a service ace on the whole of the NU defense.
Well, when LaSalle got hold of the lead again in the mid-portion of this set, parang nawala na naman ng Lady Bulldogs.
The same happened in set number 2.
Oh, and a total miscue.
You know, Jen Reyes cannot go for the attack, right? At yun, sabi niya, usap. Kulang sila sa communication in that sequence right there.
Okay, magpapalit ako. This is a gamble, ha? Magpapalit ako ng tao. Lalabas ka muna. Magbablock ka, ha? Naintindihan, magbablock ka, ha? Saan ka po pwesto? Ha? Doon ka po pwesto, ha? Naintindihan? Okay? Mag-set ka ng maayos, ha? 3 spiker mo, ha? 3, ha? Okay, sige. Yung dalawa.
Well, magpapalit ng tao si Coach Francis. That means Saliban will sit down and the setting chores will go to their second setter, Vera Guillema. And Marzan, who started, also will come back. Nepomuceno and Saliban will sit down.
Talagang gamble on the part of Coach Francis. But ito na This is it.
Wala na 22.
Ito na, kung magagamble ka, ito na yun. This is the moment.
So it will be Guillema setting. And Guillema comes from the same high school where Abigail Maraño came from, which is Don Antonio de Zuzuaregui Senior Memorial Academy. Mina Aganon. Reyes. Pablo and Dadang were there. This time Marzan and Dadang. Still alive. Nobody behind Guillema.
And went through easily with off-speed hit. Look at this, getting that point. Ganda And she knew where she wanted that ball.
So Mika Reyes, one of her specialties is the service.
Oh, that was a good back set.
Yep. Somebody touched the net, and it's a LaSalle. No, sorry, it's an NU player that did, which sets up match point, Mosey.
Just too many errors, Boom, in this entire game. And it's coming from everywhere. Diba? From the serve, from the net, and yung offense, diba? Ang daming offensive errors.
So no room for error as Kai Nepomuceno will come back. Guillema, Salibad will also come back for Marzan. Salibad will set here. Coach Francis.
Ubus na raw. Ubus na yung ano niya.
Having a laugh with our referees here.
Baka mag-substitute pa sa 24 na.
And that will do it. How fitting, the captain, who during the huddle screaming and shouting 4 straight. Ended the match with an attack. 4 straight wins for LaSalle. They go up to 4-1. National University will go down to 2-3. 2 straight losses for them.
That's right, Boom. And parang hindi pa rin sila nakaka-recover from the previous loss entering this ballgame.
Well, I'll tell you this. You have the Christmas break to stew on it. Think about it. Well, we come back to wrap this baby up.